Hello friend, please join me today. Let's make some Cameroonian Gateau, otherwise known as Nigerian Buns. Just so you know, while I was in primary and secondary school, I used to spend most of my money during break buying gateau and yogurt just because I didn't know how to make it at home. But today, I'm here to teach you, so don't be like me. Please come, let's learn how to do it together. I got you! So I start by pouring in the milk. You can use warm water, that's fine. Then pour in the melted margarine or butter, and after that pour in the sugar into the mixture, then pour in the yeast. This is perfect. Thereafter crack one large egg into the mixture, then go for flavoring. You can use cinnamon, vanilla or nutmeg. I prefer cinnamon. Perfect. Thereafter pour in a pinch of salt just to even out the taste of the sugar. Then add some baking powder. This is optional. After that, pour in the sieved flour. Always make it a good practice to sieve your flour before using it. I encourage you to check the description box below for the exact measurements. Mix, mix, mix and mix. As you're mixing, please keep adding in flour as needed in order to get your dough into the consistency of gateau, and I will show you how that consistency looks like. Thereafter, cover the dough and let it sit for an hour. So this is an hour later. I came back and yep, my dough is good for frying. So to get your dough into the shape of gateau, look at what I'm doing closely. You cut a little piece of the dough, add some flour to it so it doesn't stick on your hands, then you fold neatly, fold it to look round, then you can put on the pan. Perfect. Once you're done with all the folding, it will just look like this. I love what I see. At this point, my oil is ready. Please don't make it too hot, neither should it be lukewarm. If it's too hot, the gateau will be brown on the outside when it's not yet really cooked on the inside. Remember, you had a lot of flour in this mixture, right? Okay, and when it's too cold, it will drink a lot of oil. So let your oil be properly warmed up, then you get good gateau. So I keep putting the gateau into the oil and frying and frying and frying. I just love it, golden brown and crispy. Oh, I love what I see. Oh my goodness, this is just so gorgeous. Slow down, oh my, I can't get enough. What? This is beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, you need to try this. I encourage you to make some delicious gateau for yourself. This is so good.